In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday Sales CRM. We'll start right from the home area of your Monday account and quickly get you into a fully functional sales workspace. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday workspace and you're on the home page. This is your central hub where you can access all your boards, dashboards, and templates. From the home page, look towards the area where you can create something new. You'll see an option that allows you to create a board or start from a ready-made setup. Instead of building everything from scratch, choose the option to start with a template. Using templates is a huge time saver, and Monday's Sales CRM templates are already structured for deals, contacts, and pipelines. Once you're in the template center, use the search bar at the top to type the name or keyword of the CRM template you want. As you type, Monday will filter the available templates. When you see the Sales CRM template that matches what you're looking for, click on it to open the details. Here, you can quickly preview what's included, things like boards for deals, contacts, and dashboards. Next, click on Use Template. Monday will automatically create all the boards and views included in that CRM setup and add them to your workspace. When that's done, you'll be taken into one of the main boards, usually something like a listings or deals board. At the top of this board, you'll see different views. Start by opening the main table view. This is the core spreadsheet style layout where you'll manage your pipeline. Take a moment to scroll and get familiar with the columns such as status, owner, dates, and values. You'll also see additional views like listings and sold. Switch into the listings view to see active opportunities or properties you're managing. Then, click into the sold view to see items that have been completed or closed. These separate views help you keep your active and closed work clearly organized. In your workspace, you'll also find a contacts board. Click into that, then explore views such as potential leads and other contacts. Potential leads is a great place to track new opportunities, while other contacts can store partners, vendors, or any non-lead records you still need for your sales process. You'll also have an agency dashboard or similar overview. Open that to see high-level metrics on your properties or deals. From there, click into the Properties overview to see how everything rolls up across boards. Finally, return to your main listings or deals board and explore more views at the top, like Timeline for visualizing dates and Map for seeing locations. You can always jump back to the main table view when you're ready to do detailed updates.